First things first, make sure to select thumbs up that you like the video. It helps with the algorithm. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below, and please click subscribe to be updated when new videos come out. To go with the challenge of No Spend January, I am also doing another challenge in the month of January for Use It Up. If you have questions about my No Spend January, I will have links below to that video. But for the Use It Up challenge, what I am doing is I am using only the food that we have currently stocked in the house before I go out and buy more food. I do have a slight caveat to that, and that is I will still be going out to buy milk, eggs, and bread. But other than that, I've gone through our cabinets, our freezer, and I have found we have a variety of things like 2 boxes of chicken parmesan, 4 boxes of spaghetti with jars of spaghetti sauce. We have 4 frozen pizzas. Are you noticing an Italian theme here? But we also have 21 cans of soup. We also have a roll of Gouda. We have instant mashed potatoes. We have cans of green beans, corn, peas. We have frozen broccoli. So with the Gouda, or you can also use hamburger if you have hamburger, but I'm going to be making I call it a shepherd's pie, although I've been told that that's actually made with lamb, and that with the hamburger that's more of a cottage pie. But I'm going to be making that with the mashed potatoes, the corn, and the peas. If you would like to know the recipe on this and how to do it on a budget, I will include a link below for that as well. And so I'm going to be experimenting with food and making what we currently have last, make it usable. I'm going to be having fun creating meals with what we currently have. So again, this is the Use It Up challenge, and I'll let you know at the end of the month how well the challenge went. Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video and would like to watch more of my videos, please follow the links on the left-hand side. Remember to select thumbs up that you like the video. If you have questions or comments, please post them below. And as always, please click subscribe to be updated when new videos come out.